To change the keyboard size on an Android phone, start by selecting the circle with 4 squares, typically located on the left side of the keyboard. This will open a menu with options to adjust the keyboard size. Choose the resize option to make the keyboard taller or shorter. After selecting the desired size, save the changes by clicking the check mark. Alternatively, to move the keyboard to the left or right side, select the circle with 4 squares again and choose the one hand option. An arrow on the left allows you to switch the keyboard between the left and right sides. To return the keyboard to its normal size, select the box with 4 arrows pointing outward. These steps should help you adjust the keyboard size on your Android device to suit your preferences.